current is the rate of flow of charge. So I is equal to dq by dt. That is a macroscopic view. Now we are going to see microscopic model of current. For that, you consider a conductor of area of cross section A and consider a length of dx. There is an electric field from right to left. Electron will be moving in the opposite direction. Under the influence of the electric field, electrons will have a velocity. That velocity is called drift velocity. Drift velocity Vd is equal to dx by dt. You rearrange this, so you will get an expression for dx. Dx is equal to Vd into dt. Dx is Vd into dt. Then number of electrons in volume of length dx. Volume of this portion is A into dx. A is the area of cross section. You multiply by the length. This is a volume. Then this n is the number of electrons per unit volume. So when you multiply the volume by number of electrons per unit volume, you will get the number of electrons. Then for this dx, we can write Vd into dt. So this is the number of electrons. Next, total charge in this volume. Charge is represented by Q. So here in this portion, the small amount of charge in this portion is dq. So dq is equal to E into, this is the number of electrons. So number of electrons you multiply by the charge of the electron. So you will get the total charge. Then current is dq by dt. For this dq, you can write this. Then dt will get cancelled. So you are getting the expression for current. I is equal to NAEVD. So I is equal to NAEVD. So this is a microscopic model. So we are relating current to the drift velocity of the electron. So charge of the electron is E. That's why it's called a microscopic model of current. This is I is equal to dq by dt, general expression. I is equal to dq by dt. Then here I is equal, we are relating current to the drift velocity of the electron. So I is equal to NAEVD. Now current density J is equal to I by A. Then for I, we can write NAEVD, then divided by A will get cancelled. So current density J is equal to NEVD. This relation is applicable only when current is perpendicular to the area. But current density is a vector quantity. So in general, we can write J vector is equal to NEVD vector. Current density J vector is equal to NEVD. Vd is the drift velocity. Drift velocity is EE by m tau. EE by m is acceleration. You multiply by the time. So it is a drift velocity. Charge of the electron is negative. That's why here is a negative sign. Now for this Vd, you substitute this. Now minus n E into E square tau E vector by m. Then for this, you can give the symbol sigma. So sigma is the conductivity, n E square tau by m. J vector is equal to minus sigma E vector, where sigma is the conductivity. Conventionally, direction of the current density is same as the direction of the electric field. So this negative sign is not needed. So direction of the conventional current density is same as the direction of the electric field. That's why this negative sign is not needed. Now this is the microscopic form of the Ohm's law. Sigma is Ne square tau by m. Reciprocal of conductivity is resistivity. This rho is resistivity. Sigma is conductivity. Then rho is 1 by sigma, reciprocal of this. So m by n e square tau. I hope you have understood the microscopic model of current. Thank you for watching.